Imagine this. You walk deep into a forest. At first, everything feels peaceful. The leaves are moving. Birds are singing somewhere in the distance. Branches are cracking under your feet. But the deeper you go, the more you start to realize one thing. The forest is not as quiet as it seems. It is alive. It is listening. It hides entire networks underground. And sometimes, it turns living creatures into real-life zombies. Here are 7 creepy forest facts that will make you look at trees differently. Fact 1. There is a fungus that can turn insects into zombies. Deep inside tropical forests, there is a parasitic fungus that infects ants. It gets inside the insect's body, slowly, takes control, and forces the ant to act strangely. The ant leaves its colony, climbs up a plant, and locks its jaws onto a leaf or branch. Then the fungus kills it. But the scariest part happens after death. A fungal stalk grows out of the ant's body and releases spores to infect more insects. So the forest basically uses the ant's dead body as a tool to spread itself. It sounds like something from a horror movie, but it is real nature. Fact 2. Trees can warn each other about danger. We usually think trees just stand still and do nothing. But underground, many forests have a huge network made of roots and fungi. Through this hidden network, trees can share nutrients and signals. When one tree is attacked by insects or disease, it can release chemical warnings. Nearby plants can sense this danger and start protecting themselves. So, a forest is not just a group of trees. It is a massive living system that can send warning messages, almost like a natural internet hidden beneath your feet. Fact 3. Some forests are almost dark even during the day. In thick tropical rainforests, the tree canopy can be so dense that sunlight barely reaches the ground. Above the trees, it may be a bright sunny day. But down on the forest floor, everything can look dark, wet, and silent. Very few plants grow there because they do not get enough light. Now, imagine walking there in the middle of the day. But everything around you still feels like night. You hear water dripping, branches snapping, something moving in the bushes, and you do not always know what is nearby. Fact 4. Some forest plants can burn your skin without fire. Some plants look completely normal, but their sap can be dangerous. One example is giant hogweed. If its sap gets on your skin and sunlight touches that area, it can cause painful burns and blisters. The creepiest part is that you may not understand what happened at first. You only touched a plant. But later, your skin can start burning as if it was attacked by fire. The forest does not always need teeth or claws. Sometimes one touch is enough. Fact 5. A forest can burn underground without visible flames. There are fires called peat fires. They can smolder underground for a very long time. From above, you may not see big flames, but beneath your feet, the soil can slowly burn, spreading heat and smoke through the peat layer. Some of these fires can last for months. And the scariest part? They can return to the surface when the conditions are right. It is almost like zombie fire. You think the fire is gone, but deep underground, the forest is still burning. Fact 6. Some mushrooms glow in the dark. At night, deep inside a forest, you might see a faint green glow. It is not magic, it is bioluminescent fungi. These mushrooms can grow on trees, bark, or rotting wood, and they can glow in the darkness. Imagine a night forest, total silence, cold, wet air, black trees all around you, and suddenly an old tree trunk starts glowing green. Beautiful? Yes. But if you saw it alone at night, you might feel like the forest is watching you. Fact 7. Ancient forests hide more secrets than we think. Old forests can exist for hundreds or even thousands of years. Some trees have survived generations of humans, wildfires, droughts, storms, and the disappearance of animals. Inside their trunks, they hold traces of the past. In the soil, there are remains of ancient life. And beneath the ground, roots and fungi create connections that scientists are still trying to understand. A forest seems quiet only because we do not know how to hear its language. But every tree, every mushroom, and every shadow is part of a huge living system. And the more scientists discover about forests, the less they look like just a place, and the more they look like one giant living organism. So the next time you walk through a forest and hear a branch crack behind you, Maybe it is just the wind, or maybe the forest already knows you were there. Subscribe for more creepy facts about nature.